Did you know zebra stripes work like a natural air conditioner? It's pretty wild. See, the black stripes get hotter than the white stripes under the sun. This temperature difference creates tiny, swirling air currents right above the zebra's skin. It's like a mini breeze that helps cool them down, but that's not all. These crazy patterns also confuse the heck out of biting insects like tsetse flies, making it hard for them to land. And in a herd, all those moving stripes become a dizzying illusion, making it tough for a lion to single one out. So, it's a cooling system, bug repellent, and predator camouflage all in one. Zebras basically wear built-in air conditioning pajamas. Follow for more animal designs that are way smarter than ours.